So if you're heading into Hall 12, you must make a beeline for Moving Intelligence. If you have a motorhome, campervan or caravan, there's a little feature that you should consider fitting to it. I'm here with Paul from Moving Intelligence. Tell us, what is that feature, Paul?
Security products, basically for the leisure market.
But specifically what security product?
So we do anything from alarms to tracking and immobilisation for your vehicle.
So the key is the Mi01 tracker, isn't it?
One of the products we've got is the Mi01, which we are launching at the show. The key feature of this product is the fact that it's battery operated and that it is still Thatcham approved.
And I've got one on my motorhome.
Yeah, 94% recovery rate, so we're very, very confident on the product. Even though it's new to the UK market, it's tried and tested in the Netherlands for the last 4 years. So we know it does what it says on the tin.
Now, this product's been in the UK for some time, but under a different name, not Moving Intelligence. What was it called before?
So we were formerly known as Phantom. We've still got Phantom as a sub-brand for the leisure market. So we've been going for over 20 years within the leisure market. We supply into the likes of Coachman, so we're very, very well known within the leisure trade.
For many years, yeah.
Yep.
But Moving Intelligence took it over, didn't they?
Correct, yeah.
So if you're coming to Hall 12, Moving Intelligence, and you need a tracker, definitely come and speak to Paul. Can I ask you a really obvious question?
Yeah.
Why have you got a folding camper on the stand when you're here promoting trackers?
Right, so we've just partnered with Opus, who are taking our Mi01 battery operated tracker on board.
Aha.
So we thought, well, why not show this partnership off and have an Opus on stand as well?
It's not your accommodation?
Well, don't give Steve any ideas. It could well be, but not at the minute, no.
Depends how many you sell.
Yeah, it could be till the end of today.
Sell loads, you'll be in there. It's great.
Yeah.
Paul, have a great show.
Thank you very much.
And enjoy the week.
Brilliant, thanks.